Hello, what's up? And today my first video is gonna be, I don't know, all over.
Yeah, we're gonna
all over. No, this channel is gonna be like an all over kind of thing, you know, just to like lay you off right now. Today we're gonna do a prank. But yeah, it's gonna be kind of scary and funny at the same time. But
who's you featuring in
but
the
it's
video?
gonna.
Who's featuring?
But today and it's with my friends.
And
I got Michael. We got Trevor.
So
You didn't.
Michael.
Yeah. So Trevor.
Today we're doing a
Go.
prank, man.
Yuri. And that's who we're gonna be doing it on. And
I'll be honking.
yeah, he's gonna be the honker because today we're doing a prank on the cars. He's gonna go inside his car, honk, and
We all run.
honk, and then we all. There's already a person who's honking.
We didn't even. Let him honk. Let him honk. Let him honk.
Let him honk, let him honk, let him honk, let him honk. Let him honk, let him honk, let him honk. Let him honk, let him honk, let him honk. Let him honk, let him honk, let him honk.
His car's right there, guys. Go this way.
Well, hey, what's up, my prankster gangster?
Can you switch the camera around and zoom in?
No.
Yeah?
No.
You can't?
Bro.
You're gonna have to come close.
So I
You know,
do
restart
this.
the video. Yeah,
No.
you're gonna have to go over there with us.
But I only have 1%. I have 1%.
Just go! Hurry up! We're going to do it now. I'm waiting.
What a beautiful view. Oh, God. Okay. You can't really see it, actually. 1 second. Oh, God.
We walk the prank, man. We hide. Your phone die?
No.
We'll
You
do
can't
the outro.
see. And well, that was the prank, and
Sorry.
I'll see you guys in the next video.
Sorry if the video was short.